power, performance, capability, and capacity allow you to take this on new challenges and adventures. Take a look at this 2023 Ram 1500 Limited in ivory white. With black headlamp bezels, front fog lamps, 22-inch aluminum wheels, 4-corner air suspension, tow package, heated and ventilated front seating, heated steering wheel, 13,000 miles on the odometer, 12-inch touchscreen, navigation, panoramic sunroof, RAMBOX cargo management system, 5.7-liter V8 HEMI engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D7608.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.